When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shona Recipes. With me, Chef Shona.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare Toordal spice powder. This is one of the famous recipe in Andhra Pradesh. In Andhra, this powder is called as kandi podi. If we eat this powder with rice, it tastes delicious. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. In a pan, add around 150 grams of Toordal, add around 70 grams of chana dal, 20 grams of white urad dal, 20 grams of jeera. Into this, add 10 grams of fenugreek seeds. Fry it on a low flame. Once it gets fried, now transfer this mixture into a plate. In the same pan, add 10 dry red chilies and fry it on a low flame. Once it gets fried, now transfer these all mixtures into a blender. Once this mixture transferred into blender, add hing, add correct amount of salt. Make this mixture into smooth powder and transfer into a bowl. Finally, Toordal spice powder was ready. Try this wonderful recipe and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare sweet vada. On occasion of Navaratralu, I am going to prepare 9 Naivedyams in our channel. Don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shivnag Recipes and click on the bell icon.